Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dangerous Diva, and today we are going to get bad, bougie, and on a budget. Hold on. Yes, a diva is back. Your favorite diva is back, y'all. And I got something super special for you. Yes, you, and you watching. Where are all my divas that love to be bougie, bad, and on a budget? There's nothing wrong with that, because I got that side to me too. A diva has two sides to her. I am bougie, bourgeois. The bougie side, I know you guys see me in Gucci, Louis Vuitton doing my shopping hauls, but guess what? A diva doesn't always want to spend her racks in the Gucci store or in the Louis Vuitton store, but sometimes I do because a diva works hard for her money. As an entrepreneur, you have sleepless nights, you have a lot of work hours that you put into the day. It's not a regular 8-hour day, it's like an all day, every day type of day. It's tough. And then I'm Boujee on a budget. That means that I don't have to spend as much as my coins to get the quality that I want. Because Dangerous Diva loves fashion, but most of all, I love quality. Let's say it together. Quality. And quality is what you get when you shop at ChicBAGS, babies. So that's why I've created this Boujee on a budget playlist for all my bad and bougie on a budget divas. Okay? Thank me later. If an off-brand makes the quality that I want, guess what? A diva will be shopping there. And that's why I'm gonna put you guys up on game so you know the best high-end replica stores to shop from. So I splurge from time and time again, but today we're not splurging because ChicBAGS has come to the rescue. You definitely want to go to their website because right now they're having a crazy sale. They make the best luxury high-end replica bags, and I mean like replica where you can't even tell that it's not Louis Vuitton. So let's get into the surprise bag from ChicBAGS. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. If you are watching me for another second time, the first time, the 10th time, subscribe to a diva. Subscribe. What are you waiting for? If you enjoy my videos or enjoy me acting very divish on camera, then subscribe. So you can be a part of my tribe. So let's get into this package. I don't even know what I'm getting, so this is going to be very cool. Woo! Let's get this package open. Now, this video is a two-part series because I have another high-end bag coming in the next video. It won't be a part of this video, but stay tuned because it's going to be another bag. Wow! Oh my goodness, so it's a big Louis Vuitton box. Now, again, for a high-end replica, look at this. That's amazing. The packaging is everything. Maison Fondé in 1854. Paris. Oh, so I opened the first layer, and I'm telling you, they go all out to make you feel like you have well spent your coins. So they're gonna give you the bag. They're gonna give you a Louis Vuitton bag. So it feels like you had the whole shopping experience if you haven't, shopped. But honestly, I think this is a really good start if you want to get into luxury bags. It costs coins, ladies. It costs thousands and thousands of dollars. So I would say get you a head start with companies like this. It gives you a receipt. It gives you a whole envelope, because when you go shopping at these high-end stores, they give you an envelope. Like, it's all about packaging and quality and feeling like they appreciate you, like you're appreciated. So look, they give you like this whole Louis Vuitton card. That's crazy because it looks like, you know, I went to Louis Vuitton. Packaging, it gives you a whole breakdown of the receipt. It came from Hong Kong. And look at that total, ladies. Do you see that? Do you see that? That's a lot of coins. But I didn't have to pay that much. But I'm telling you, they give you the whole shebang. So, gotta love that. Now let's do the big reveal of this Louis Vuitton bag. It's pretty big. Look at this package. Oh my. So again, another layer to peel off. They don't play. Let's see what's in this bag. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, okay. I wasn't expecting that. Look at this. I get so excited when I shop. I love to shop. Oh my goodness, this bag is super cute. Wait, and look, it has a chocolate side. It has 2 different sides. It's like 2-tone leather. Never full bag. The legendary never full bag, guys. This bag is so legendary with Louis Vuitton. It's one of my favorite bags from Louis Vuitton next to the Artsy. But it's my favorite because it's never full, just like the name. It's never full, just about, unless you're like a mom and you stuff your purse like I do, but we won't go there. It's usually never full because it has such a big, ginormous size. Look at that. And it comes with a nice pochette. And look at this. This is a different color. Oh my God. I would just rock the pochette by itself. Okay, so let's, before I get too excited, let's soak in the bag first. And look at the bottom. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. It has a Louis Vuitton emblems and then another animal pattern at the bottom. I'm telling you, this is so cute, guys. Hey, babe. I'm in the middle of a video.
Ooh, I see a Gucci and Chanel.
No Gucci, no Chanel. It's a Louis Vuitton.
Ooh, I
yeah.
see that. That looks cool.
Did you see me wearing this?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like it, boys?
Yeah.
Say hi to my subscribers.
Hi, guys.
My boys, my oldest J Funk and my youngest, you can't see right now. He got to scoot back. Scoot back. Is Josiah. And we are the So in Love family, minus my husband, but you guys will see him in other videos. You can subscribe to my family channel if you want to see more of the mom side and the family side. That's all on the So in Love family channel.
Ooh, this is
cute, right? Don't even think about it. Matter of fact, if you saw my video, my latest hide and seek video, these boys hid my Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel. They hid like every one that I own. The real deal. In my backyard, the bedroom. Don't even think about it. Matter of fact, get on over here, boys. Don't even think about it. Okay, so back to the basics. Look at this, ladies. This is what I mean by quality at ChicBAGS. This is what I mean. I want you guys to really see this. Yeah, you see it. Focus. Okay, focus for me. You see that? It says Louis Vuitton inside. So it has a Louis Vuitton inside. It has the nice stripes. And I'm feeling this. And I'm smelling this. Guess what? It looks like leather. It feels like leather, most importantly. And it smells like leather. So ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. ChicBAGS, you outdid yourself. This bag is gorgeous. I love the different side. It's like a leopard print, ladies. So like when you wear your leopard outfits, this would be super cute, super chic to go with it. And then this side is like a dark tone with the same leopard print. Now tell me that is not super cute. You know, bring out your wild side and animal side. Then you'll love this bag. Let's take this. Oh my goodness, this is super cute. But again, this quality, I'm telling you, it's that of like a Louis Vuitton bag. Now, the zipper here, you've got to have a pouch. When you have a big bag, you have to have some type of compartment in here. So I'm glad that they didn't slack on having a compartment. The zipper, very quality. Hear that? Yeah. So again, the detail I love here, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, right there. And the stitching is amazing on this bag. I can't believe this. This is my first high-end Louis replica. I have to compare this. Now, I do have the Damier Louis Vuitton, and let me show it to you because it's one of my everyday bags. So I always carry it. You guys, if you haven't seen my haul, I bought this in Atlanta at the Lenox Mall, the infamous Lenox Mall, and I love the bag. It's like one of my everyday bags, but this leather, it's feeling like this leather, the same thing. And the only difference is that I have a bag organizer here. Don't look at it because it's a mess right now. I'm a mom, and so I put everything but the kitchen sink in my purse. Thank you, Mom, for teaching me. So back to this bag. Quality, quality, quality. Ladies, all you have to do is stick a bag organizer in here, and its shape will hold up. Look at that. Beautiful. So the thing I love most about the Neverfull Louis Vuitton bag is that it's super casual for like everyday wear, but it's also chic when you need it to be. Guess what? This little trick. You tie the laces up on the side, ladies. Let's take this plastic off. So what you do, I'm gonna come back here. I have some stuff all over me. So what you do is you tuck in the sides of your bag. And again, it's collapsing only because I don't have a purse organizer in here. But again, you tuck in the sides, and so again, you tuck in the sides, you fold it in on the inside. This poor bag doesn't have a bag organizer in here, so it's collapsing, which is normal. So you kind of do this with the bag, and then you pull the drawstring in. And voila! Do you see what I mean? I pulled the drawstrings on the side, and it's almost like you have a different purse. See, you can hold it on your wrist. So now it looks a little more chic than casual everyday. Because when it's loose and open and just big, it looks like everyday wear. But this, ladies, this is chic. Yes, chic, chic, chic. So I'm loving this bag. If you love it too, I have a great discount code in the description below or in the comment section. Check that out. If I were you, I'd run over there to get this bag before it sells out. Now let's get into the pochette that it came with. So this is the pochette, and I love it because it's black and white. Come on, black and white is always chic and high end. It looks very good. So this will look very good, ladies, taking this out on the town. Like if you just need to run out, put it under your arm, or run to the store, or run errands and so forth. You just want to take a few cards or whatever. This is perfect. I love it. It's super cute. The leather feels really good. It's the Louis Vuitton emblems. It's a winner, okay? We have a winners, ladies and gentlemen. If you too love these bags from ChicBAGS, run over there right now and get you a bag, okay? I'll leave all the information in the comment section below, in the description below, so you can find out all the deets and see other bags that you may want to pick up, because the prices are unbelievable at ChicBAGS. Thanks so much for watching. I'm your favorite diva, Dangerous Diva, and I'll be signing out until next time, ladies. Bye. Don't forget, spread love, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
It's so cool.